Hey babe, first sail of the new season. Here we are at Tomales. We'll flash the dog. Look at all the oysters getting pulled out. Fantastic. You got the, oh, you guys got that, you guys got the grant? That's great.
Well, the, Day of Giving or whatever.
Yeah, the Day of Giving thing.
He said it's 2,000 to 3,000.
Okay, well that's good. That's nice.
Wants to be a TDO sponsor, which I'm all for it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's time to get some lunch.
Do you want a sandwich?
Sure. I want a sandwich.
You want to have a sandwich?
Better. Yeah. It's our wing and wing. What do you say, babe?
Can.
Beautiful day. Sailing here. On our way towards Marshall. Flashes are stressed. I'm having a very nice time.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you having fun on your staycation?
Yeah.
Good.
We're running along right now.
How fast are we going?
We're going about 4.5 knots.
And what's the hull speed?
About 5. A little more than
Checking.
5. Just checking.
That's Marshall over there.